The Lancaster Science Factory is a nonprofit science center where kids and families can explore, build, and experiment scientific concepts with over 80 hands-on exhibits. Throughout the year, we host a variety of workshops, hands-on programs, camps, and community events. When learners visit, they'll find interactive exhibits that let them touch, test, move, build, and discover scientific concepts in a really fun and interactive way. It's always a great time to visit because it's an indoor activity that keeps kids active, curious, and engaged, especially when families are looking for something fun to do together. During spring and summer, we also have an outdoor courtyard where learners can explore environmental engineering, native habitats, and more. We're especially popular with families, school groups, grandparents with grandchildren, tourists, and anyone looking for an educational activity that is interactive. What makes the Science Factory unique is that kids aren't just looking at exhibits, they're part of the experience. They're experimenting, problem solving, and discovering things for themselves. Kids have fun while building skills for tomorrow's workforce. Whether you're a local family or visiting Lancaster County, the Lancaster Science Factory is a great place to explore, experiment, and ignite your curiosity.
For more information, visit discoverlancaster.com.